Using DreamHost with WordPress is simple and efficient, making it a popular choice for website owners. Here's how to get started. Sign up for DreamHost. Visit the DreamHost website and select a hosting plan tailored for WordPress, such as Managed WordPress Hosting. Click on Get Started to create your account. Register a domain. During the sign-up process, you can register a new domain or use an existing one. Follow the prompts to complete the registration. Install WordPress. After your account is set up, log into the DreamHost control panel. Navigate to one-click installs and select WordPress. Choose the domain where you want to install it and follow the installation steps. Access your WordPress dashboard. Once installed, go to yourdomain.com/wp-admin to access your WordPress admin panel. Log in using the credentials you set during installation. Choose a theme. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, Themes to select or install a theme that suits your website style. Create content. Start creating posts and pages by navigating to Posts or Pages and clicking Add New. Utilize plugins. Enhance your site's functionality by going to Plugins, Add New to install essential plugins for SEO, security and performance.